In this video, I want to talk about the structural integrity of the stair stringer and how it can be affected if the stair risers are a little taller than average or the stair treads are a little longer or wider than average. And what we have here is a 10-inch wide stair tread with a 1-inch overhang, giving us an 11-inch step. And we have a 7.5-inch riser. This usually produces about a 5.5-inch measurement here, which if you can imagine, this is the weak point of the stair stringer. If we use longer treads, we're going to be cutting into this area here, making it smaller. Like I said, this is 5.5 inches on it for a 2x12 with a 7.5-inch rise and a 10-inch tread. Now, if we were going to make this a 15-inch tread, you can just imagine how much it would cut into this area, making the distance here shorter, and of course weakening the stair stringer. I just wanted to show you sometimes some of my videos people aren't familiar with what I'm talking about, and that's why I gave you a side elevation view of this particular stairway and the stair stringer. The next picture here, I haven't made any marks on the 2x12. However, you should get a pretty good idea, better idea of what I'm talking about. Let's just say that I have a 7.5-inch riser, and again, if you can remember back to the picture, the riser point is going to be the vertical distance, and then a longer tread. Let's just say we had about, this looks like it's about an 18-inch long tread, leaving us 4.5 inches of structural strength. Now, 4.5 inches might not cut it on certain stairways. It's definitely not something I would like to see on a stairway, especially a longer stairway that isn't going to be braced up with any walls underneath it. So again, all of this will come into factor on determining which types of stair building material you're going to use for your stair stringer. So we have a 2x12 here, which has a width of 11.5 inches. If I was going to use longer treads and deeper risers, or longer treads and deeper risers with a combination of that, then you might want to go to a 2x14 and give yourself a little more strength, or plan on installing walls underneath the stairway. So again, the reason why I'm making the video is just to provide you with a little clearer insight on what type of building materials you will need to use, or the design for that particular stairway if you're going to use longer treads and taller risers.